everyone, Mr. Jules here, and today I'm back with another video in which we will be reviewing Bose's latest Google Assistant powered Quiet Comfort headphones. Hope you enjoy. Here are the Bose QuietComfort 35 Series 2. So they are made out of a nice high quality case. All of the materials are high quality, which is made out of leather in this case. And it has some extra features such as a little hook for hanging, and a nice pocket for putting cables, whatever you like. So now we're going to open it up with the zipper that is also high quality. Okay, so here are the headphones themselves. So this is just a skin on top of them, which I got from SKINMATE.com. I'll leave a link down below. And they're also made out of leather. Mostly the ear cups appear to be made out of leather. The inside is also high quality material. All of these headphones are very high quality. They are geared towards comfort and just a great user experience. So starting off here, you can see here's the right ear cup, which has the microphone for picking up your voice here and here, so it can just pick up your voice very well. Here is the power switch, which is just as simple as that, green, red, and the noise cancellation mic, there's also one on the other ear cup. Then we have the Bose logo, and over here we have the NFC target, which is if your phone has NFC, then you can use that. So here is a micro USB port, which is the way to charge them, which supports quick charge, and it's pretty fast. The battery lasts a long time, 20 hours in my experience, 20 to 40 depending on if they're wired and the level of noise cancellation they're on. So moving on here, we're gonna see the volume buttons, and this is the pause button, the multimedia button essentially, which can do several things. And here is the volume up. Over here we have two LED indicators which will light up right next to them, which will indicate if Bluetooth is on and if the battery level. Depending on the level, the color will change. So here we have the other noise cancellation mic, and this is the feature that the QuietComfort 35 Series 2 have. And the thing that they have over the normal 35s is that this is an extra button which is remappable, which can do several functions like Siri or Google Assistant or Alexa, or you can also map it to do nothing or change the noise cancellation level, which you can also change in the application. This is the headphone jack, which is a little smaller than the average one you find on your phone. So thankfully they come with a cable, as they should, which here, this is the end that plugs into the headphone, which I'll show you in a second. And over here is the end that plugs into your phone. This is 3.5 millimeters. This is a standard size. And this is 2.55 millimeters. So, which is a bit smaller, and you'll have to buy another separate cable. So basically they just did that to earn money, so that way you buy their cables, hopefully. So it just plugs in like that. And again, when you have them wired, you still have to turn them on for them to work. However, you get a much longer battery life, which is usually about double. The headphones run on a Bluetooth version of 4.2, which is one of the latest versions. And they support several audio codecs, which are, for example, Qualcomm's aptX or aptX HD as well. Again, as I said before, the headphones are geared toward comfort. They are made to really make you enjoy wearing them. So they are very comfortable, I must say. In my experience, they've been wonderful. Sometimes I don't feel them at all, like I just forget that they're on my head. So of course they can expand, enlarge to fit all different sizes. Again, as I showed before, you can stretch them, move them, bend them. They're not going to break. They can fold like this. They can move in all sorts of ways, and they will not break. They are meant to be durable. So they have high quality ear cushions, which do not get very hot, I must say. They are comfortable and they don't get warm, which is one thing that I just hate about headphones. When they get warm, it's just horrible. I really don't like it.
since you've made it to the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think. Was this a good second video? Do you want me to do a full review on the headphones? Let me know in the comments down below. And subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.